Hey everyone, this is Clea, your instructor for Writing for Digital Spaces, and I thought I would make a short, unscripted video of just my Twitter profile right now. Many of you mentioned that you are new to the platform, and this week I asked you to report back about live tweeting during an event, either participating in that yourself or making observations of what you see. So I'm logged into the homepage and I'm signed into my Twitter account. This is me. I love that the first thing showing up is one of my favorite actors, Kristen Schaal. They're talking about a new movie that's coming out, so I'm going to go ahead and heart that because I want to hear more about that. If you're looking for another opportunity and maybe you don't get to live tweeting this weekend, well, here is a promoted tweet from Apple TV. And they are saying, we're streaming the first episode of Dickinson Live right here on Twitter with Haley Steinfeld. Heart this tweet to get a reminder from Dickinson to tune in on Tuesday. And they have a hashtag here, so this is a way that they are inviting the audience to participate in that conversation. Sure, I'll go ahead and heart that. And we can see that that has already been done 1,300 times. It's been retweeted 186 times, so gotten even more reach. And there's already a little bit of a discussion going. Let's see what people are saying, because I'm kind of curious. Someone is just commenting that it has an annoying GIF. Okay, so, sometimes you can find good stuff, sometimes not. I would like to point out one different area. So if you go to hashtag explore, it'll give you a few different options. Twitter thinks that they know me, so this is what they think that I might be interested in. But you can also go to the trending tab here. And I found it very interesting that, the first option here, this is not one that's promoted. Here's promotion. Here's organic. RIP Trump. Uh-oh, what is going on here? So if I click on that hashtag, I'm brought to the top tweets, so things with the most likes, the most retweets, the most comments about this hashtag. If instead I want a timeline that goes from most recent to oldest, I can switch to the latest tab and see what people are saying about that. Seems to be something where perhaps Gen Z is behind it again, similar to how they're taking credit for the Tulsa event. But it's pretty interesting just to, sign in and see what's going on. People are definitely commenting about this. Here's a very funny image when you see RIP Trump is trending versus when you realize it's fake. So yeah, maybe someone really did think that the president died. Alas, he did not yet. So you can see that, there's a lot of tweets going on. No wonder this is one of the top trending hashtags right now. This is a great way to see what conversations are being said, messages used, images used. And that's all I'll include in this video. I hope this helps a bit, and I look forward to seeing what you're sharing in the discussions. Thanks for watching.